Today, we're diving into a topic that's been revolutionizing how companies work and innovate. Agile is an umbrella term, which encompasses a plethora of methodologies that top companies have been utilizing for decades. So let's delve into their origins and development. In the 1960s and 70s, the software industry was dominated by the waterfall model. This linear approach required each phase of development to be completed before moving on to the next. It was like following a strict recipe, leaving little room for adjustments once the process began. If changes were needed midway, it was often too late or too costly to implement them. This rigidity highlighted the need for a more flexible method. Then, in 1986, Hirotaka Takeuchi and Ikojiro Nonaka published the new product development game. They proposed a more holistic and flexible approach, drawing inspiration from rugby where the ball is passed around within the team. This concept laid the groundwork for what we now know as Scrum. And this analogy helped shift thinking towards more collaborative and iterative processes, which became crucial as software projects grew in complexity. By the early 1990s, it was clear that traditional methods weren't sufficient. Jeff Sutherland and Ken Schwaber formalized Scrum in the mid-90s, introducing a framework that allowed teams to work in short, iterative cycles called sprints. This allowed teams to adapt quickly to changes and deliver value incrementally. Scrum provided a structure for continuous improvement and responsiveness, which was a significant departure from the rigid waterfall model. At the same time, the manufacturing industry was revolutionizing its processes with Kanban, developed by Toyota. Kanban, meaning visual signal in Japanese, focuses on visualizing work, limiting work in progress, and optimizing flow. This method allowed for greater flexibility and efficiency. And in 2001, a pivotal moment occurred with the creation of the Agile Manifesto. 17 software developers gathered in Utah and outlined the core principles of Agile, prioritizing individuals and interactions, working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change. This manifesto united various iterative and flexible methodologies under a common philosophy, emphasizing adaptability and customer satisfaction. And Agile methodologies continued to evolve, with frameworks like XP or Extreme Programming, which focuses on technical excellence and teamwork, as well as Lean, which emphasizes eliminating waste and optimizing processes. Despite their differences, these methods contain the same core values from the Agile Manifesto. Today, Agile practices are widely adopted across industries, promoting a culture of collaboration, continuous improvement, and customer centricity. They have proven to be effective in managing the complexities of modern projects. And for those of you interested in gaining a deeper understanding of Agile methodologies, Hyperdrive is hosting a 2-day course led by Tom Perry. This course offers an in-depth exploration of Agile practices and, more importantly, how to implement them effectively in your own business. So check the link in the description to sign up or learn how to start utilizing Agile methods in this video.